Alright, we have the X Hexe puppies. They are 11 days old. We're gonna start with a dark sable female, doing a little early neurological stimulation, trying to intentionally stress them for a love reward. Good job, Mama. That was a dark sable female.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Then we got the one of the black males. Not very startly. Okay, we'll take that. There's one little sign of discomfort. There we go. Go baby boys, huh? Go baby boys. Then we have the other black male. Yes, that's right. And I know. Good boy. Second black male. And what do we have there? A black female. With the white toes that are almost not white anymore. Okay. Good girl. I know. And we have black sable male. Good boy. Okay, there we go. And another black girl. That's right, Mama. Oh no. I'm so sorry. I know, I'm so sorry. And finally, the dark sable female. Hold on, Mace. Where are you going? Oh, no. Okay. Good girl. And that is the X Hexe litter, 11 days old. You can see very uniform, real nice chunkies. Ah, chunky chunks. See you next week.